Daddy's loading up the car. We're heading off, it's not too far, on our adventure to visit family. I'm not sure what to pack, so I bring it all. But looking back on our adventure to visit family, I'm so thrilled for our ride. Can we get there oh so wide? Not yet, dear. Let's take a deep breath and count 1, 2, 3. So much fun, it's waiting for me with our family. With our family. Daddy's driving down the road. We're traveling where the stories unfold on our adventure to visit family. I try to stay awake and wide. How much longer will the ride on our adventure to visit family? I'm so thrilled for our ride. Can we get there oh so wide? We're so close. Let's breathe deep and count 1, 2, 3. Fun times ahead, just wait and see. With our family. With our family.